Yes, good morning, class. So, today we are going to learn agriculture and biotechnology, that is modern perspectives. So, this presentation will explore the exciting world of agriculture and biotechnology, focusing on how these fields are shaping the future of food production and sustainability. We will dwell into importance of agriculture in society, discuss challenges faced by traditional practices, and examine the transformative potential and biotechnology. Get ready to learn about generally or genetically modified crops, their advantages and environmental impacts, and ethical considerations surrounding this cutting edge technology. So let we see first. Let's introduce our topic. Means introduction to agriculture. The foundation of food. Agriculture, the practice of cultivating land for the production of crops and livestock, is the bedrock of our food system. It involves a complex interplay of natural resources, human ingenuity in scientific advancement. Then see, next is from seed to table. The agriculture process e- ecom- encompasses a range of activities from planting seeds to harvesting crops. Yes, we know already we know. First, we have to sow some seeds, and then harvesting crops, raising livestock. There is a process. See, there is a process from seed to table. So we know already. First, we have to planting seeds, and this is a process to planting seeds to harvesting crops, raising livestock, and processing food. It is a vital industry that provide substances, employment, and economical or economic prosperities of for millions worldwide. There is some importance of agriculture in society. So in society, agriculture is very important. Just because of agriculture, we are live, or we can survive easily, or we can face many problems, or we can survive. So first one is food security. Agriculture is the primary source, right? Yes, right, class. So agriculture is a basic need, basic or primary source of food, ensuring the nutritional need of the global population. Next is economic growth. So agriculture is a major economic driver, providing livelihood and contributing to national economies. Then third one is environmental sustainability. So agricultural practices plays a crucial role in protecting our natural resources. Next, agriculture. Yes, class. Agriculture, doing agriculture, it is not simple process. It is very challenges and hard working process. So let me see some challenges. What are the challenges in traditional agriculture practices? So first one is climate change. So extreme weather event like drought and the flood can disputes crops yield, the livestock production. Yes, so drought and flood is the natural calamities. Yes, so due to that natural calamities, farmers always suffer, and this is the big challenge for farmer. And they can suffer from loss. They can in that natural calamities, they cannot protect to their food or crops. So this is very natural. Due to natural calamities, this concept means climate change is very challenges for farmer. By doing farming, this is very challenge, there is a big challenge of to farmer. Next is pest and disease resistance. So traditional crops are vulnerable to pest and disease, leading to crop losses and reduced yield. So due to some pest, there are some new disease are occur to or happens to human being. Then next is land degradation. This is a very big problem. Intensive agriculture practices can lead to soil erosion, nutrition, then depletion and loss of soil fertility. See, next concept is role of biotechnology in agriculture. First one is improved crop varieties. So farmer have to improve crop varieties. Biotechnology enables the development of crops with enhanced traits such as resistance, increase yield and improve nutritional value. Then second is pest and disease control. So biotechnology based solutions such as biopesticides offer safer are more environmentally friendly alternatively to traditional pesticides. So this pest cannot be harmful for human being or living thing. Next is sustainable agriculture. So biotechnology can contribute to sustainable farming, then practices by reducing the needs fertilizers, pesticides and waters. Then next is genetic modification of crops. So let me see this table. First one is isolation. So scientists identify and isolate genes responsible for desired traits. Then second is gene transfer. So the desired genes are inserted into DNA of crop plant. Next is selection and testing. So genetically modified plants are tested for the desired plants safely. Next is commercialization. Fourth one is commercialization. So once approved, genetically modified crops are made available to farmers. Next is there are some advantages of genetically modifying crops. There are some advantages which are such modified to our crops. First one is increased yield. Genetically modified crops often produce higher yield per unit area, improving food security. Then second one is enhancing nutritional values. So due to some nutritional values, human gets vitamins, minerals, yes, and nutritions. So biotechnology can enhances the nutrition's content of crops, providing essential vitamins and minerals to human being, whichever is very important or which is very needful to human being. Then next is reduce pesticide use. So yes, there is a one request to farmer, so reduce the use of pesticides. So genetically modifying crops are resistance to certain pest, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Due to this yes class, these chemical pesticides are very harmful for us. So now due to biotechnology, there is a use of pesticides, reduce use of pesticides. Then next is drought tolerance. Biotechnology can develop crops that are more resilient to drought condition, improving sustainability. Next is sustainability and environmental impact. There are some impact which is very harmful to our environmental. So let me see that what are the environmental impact. First one is reduce fertilizer use. So genetically modified crops required less fertilizer, minimizing and nutrition's runoff and environmental damage. Next is conserve water resources. So agriculture crops require less irrigation, helping to conserve water resources. Next is biodiversity concerns. So, agriculture for gene flow from genetically modified crops to wild relatives is an area of ongoing research and monitoring. Yes. Next is ethical consideration in biotechnology. So first one is food safety, then rigorous safety testing in crucial to ensuring the genetically modifying crops are safe for human consumption. Then second one is consumer choice. So clear labeling of genetically modified food allow consumers to make informed choices. Then third one is access to technology. So due to biotechnology, access to for farmers in developing countries in essential for sustainable agriculture. Next one is future trends in agriculture biotechnology. Yes, class biotechnology is really biotechnology is improving in agriculture. So let me see some future trends. What are the future trends? First one is precision agriculture, using data of agriculture optimize crop management and resource utilization. Then second one is gene editing. Yes, this is a new trend and very helpful. So parsley modifying genes for targeted traits improve, potentially leading to more efficient and sustainable agriculture. Then third one is vertical farming. So due to vertical farming, growing crops and stake layers, maximizing yield in limited spaces. Yes, so class, today we learnt about agriculture. So what we learned today? First one is agriculture, then some important factor about agriculture in society. Then there are lots of challenges. We see only three challenges are there in traditional agriculture and practices for farmer. Then some role of biotechnology in agriculture. So what are the important roles? So improving crops varieties, then pest and disease control, then sustainable agriculture. Then next concept we learnt, genetic modification of crops is gene isolation, selection and testing, gene transfer, then commercialization. Then next we learned some advantages which is modified our crops. Next some environmental impact, then ethical consideration in biotechnology, and some future trends is are very important in today's world, in today's agriculture, and due to that biotechnology it is possible. Yes class, thank you.